It is the MiG-29 Jet fighter block set I just finished. It contains 1,387 pieces, the size is 34 centimeters wide and 48 centimeters long. The packing in the instruction manual is similar to F14 because they are from the same manufacturer. It is fun to build it, but if comparing with F14, I like F14 more as its appearance is more pleasing. There are two things the manufacturer need to improve. First, the front wheel is very easy to lose and didn't secure properly. Second, engine outlet is at the end of the plane, also very easy to lose. Also, the green cockpit canopy is really ugly. Let's know about MiG-29. Same as F-14, it is a twin-engine fighter aircraft and developed by Russian. The MiG-29 entered service with the Soviet Air Force in 1983 and still in service until today. It was developed to counter U.S. fighters such as F-15 and F-16. More than 1,600 MiG-29 has been built since 1983, and the most advanced member of the family to date is the MiG-35. Later model of MiG-29 including improved engine, modern radar and increased fuel capacity. The MiG-29 has also been a popular export aircraft. More than 30 nations either operate to have operated the aircraft. As of 2024, Flight Global estimates that over 800 of MiG-29 of all types are in service with air forces, making it the fifth most common active fighter. People also like to compare MiG-29 with F-16. Generally speaking, the MiG-29 excels in close combat and agility, while the F-16 is a strong performer in medium-range air combat and has more versatility. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. I will build the V8 supercar engine as next video and build the other fighter jets soon.